Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so today we have an unboxing. Baseline, because all your girl does is shop. Like, I'm a shopaholic for sure. I tried not to shop all of last month and clearly I failed. In my defense, I ordered this back in December and it's finally here. So that's me making excuses. I will say this item, I should probably make a video on, like, who did I see do it? I feel like it was it Janae from High Low Luxe? I think it was her. She did a video on things I like so much. I cannot open this box. It's driving me insane. Things I like so much, I bought it twice. Like, I need to make a video like that because I purchased this same style bag in many different colors. Woo! Almost broke my nail. I didn't think I was ever gonna get that open, guys. Did you watch me struggle? And I'm still struggling. Like, they were not trying to have anyone go in this bag, this box at all. Woo! Guys, your girl is, this is a struggle. Like, this is, it's a struggle. I don't think the box should be that hard to open at all. But here we go. Here we go. You probably already know what this pink box is. But yeah, we have another Nichole Lynel unboxing. You probably know what it is. You probably know what it is. But it's okay. You probably still want to see me unbox it. And that's what I'm going to do for you guys. I am going to unbox this beauty. I've been waiting. When did it say I should receive it? Actually, what's today? I don't even know today's date, but I think it's before the date I was supposed to get it. So they've done good. They've done good. You guys know you always get this snap magnetic closure with the normal thank you card. That's not gonna focus because there we go. It just says thank you for all the love and support. Y'all know I truly support this brand. Like, I buy stuff from this brand all of the time. So the expected delivery, the estimated shipping was for January 30th. So definitely here before then. All right, we've gone back to this stuff. In my last unboxing by the brand, I didn't get any of that in the box, and you guys remember me saying that was okay because it's actually very, like, messy. I don't care for it. It's not awful. It's cute. Like, the packaging is cute, but it is messy. So yeah. Ooh, I got it everywhere. I'll pick it up. I'll pick it up later. There's one of the tissue paper. It's pink. Pretty much the aesthetic is pink. Like, you get all the pink. Just ripping that all off. Dust bag that says Nichole Lynel. I love this dust bag. You guys know I love all of it. I just took a peek. Oh my. Do you guys see that? It's like the same red. Stop playing. Guys, no way. This looks so good. This red, so you know it usually has, oh my, I'm obsessed with this color. Obsessed. Took the plastic off because you guys know I'm keeping it. We all know when I buy a Nichole Lynel handbag, it's forever. It's forever. OMG. Oh, this is just like, look. Can we just admire this pink, not pink, this red for a second? OMG. Like, I keep staring at the viewfinder because I just want to stare at the red. It just looks so good. You guys know that this is how the interior usually is. I messed up the last time and it usually has the NL right here. This is just like a little card slot. You get another card slot right here, and then this zip closure, which is where I usually hide all my stuff I want to hide. And then you get the strap, which is red and gold, if I can get it off. There we go. It's red and gold. Oh, this is so beautiful. Guys, I'm obsessed with this brand. Obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with these bags. I'm obsessed with the color. Like, the colors that this brand produces is just like, they stand out. Like, I just love the colors, and they're just, for me, they're definitely dupes to the Chanel vanity case. Is that what it's called? Yeah, they're like dupes for the Chanel vanity case. I'm like obsessed with this. Like, if you guys see me in my reels, in my OOTDs with these bags, you know the obsession. You know the obsession. I'm just trying to remove this like glue thing here. There's like a little piece of glue, which it's just because my eyes noticed it, but it's very, very tiny. But yeah, obsessed. I've now got them in, I've got this in one, two, three, 4 colors, and you guys already know which one I'm waiting for. I pretty much stalk her page every single day because I refuse to miss it. But yeah, keep on making them, and I'm gonna keep on buying them, Nichole. I'm gonna keep on buying them. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at carla.simon19. See you in the next video.